2005 Cadillac Escalade and 2005 Chevy Silverado. Transmission took a dive Friday, so we took it out yesterday. We're almost done taking the transmission out of the 05. The 05's got the push button 2-wheel drive, and compared to the all-wheel drive, we're gonna take the transmission out of the 2005, which has the 246. And we're gonna steal the wiring harness and we're gonna put it into the Cadillac. Everything is pretty much plug and play, other than the push button for the console. Needs to be wired in, 4 wires, soldered in behind the dash. Oh, under the steering column. It's just gonna go right where the slot is here for the empty space. And then we'll get rid of the all-wheel drive transfer case, which is basically gear to gear, no nothing in it, not even a pump. And then the 4L65, 4L. We also got the 4L60, which is rebuilt in the 05 with a rebuilt transfer case. And then we're gonna swap out the front diffs and then the wiring harness for the front diff actuator. Which that front diff is probably gonna get torn apart before it goes in. And got all the bolts removed from the torque converter. We're bringing down the transfer case and the transmission on the 05 with just, we're not gonna take the transfer case apart. Not like we did on the Cadillac. I think it's a little easier to do with the truck, just because it's got the longer wheelbase. That's it. We'll update you again in a minute.